Memes will never be the same again. Grok 3 just dropped an image editing feature, and people are already using it to create absolute chaos in the best way possible. From Elon as the Dogefather to Thanos in crypto glasses, the internet is officially vibing with AI memes. And yes, it's free. And it's powerful. Let's start with this. Elon Musk wearing pixelated sunglasses. Grok handled it instantly, and yes, it slaps. Someone else took it further. Elon as the Dogefather, holding Dogecoin like Simba in Lion King. That's not a prompt, that's a movement. So, what's the big deal with Grok 3's image editing? Well, it lets you edit any image using just a natural language prompt. That means no Photoshop skills, no text, we've got Crypto Thanos. The prompt? Put Thanos in a Bitcoin hoodie with glowing red eyes. Grok? Absolutely delivered. Now imagine turning that into a short video. Someone actually did that by combining Grok with Pikaframes to create a smooth transition video using just a few edited frames. But here's my favorite. The Undertaker choke slamming Google as Grok meme tool. No design tools needed. Edits are fast and surprisingly accurate. And it's all done with simple descriptions. You don't have to be a graphic designer anymore, just be funny and descriptive. Grok handles the rest. Whether you're making crypto memes, tech roast posters, or chaotic viral edits, Grok might just be the most powerful AI meme tool right now. And this is just the beginning. If you want to try it, go check if Grok 3's image editing is rolled out to your X account. It's already live for many users and it's free. Let me know in the comments. What meme are you editing next? And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more creative AI breakdowns. Because in 2025, even memes are powered by AI.